All right, so this is the hot water heater, and as you can see, lots of tape. It's very hot. It's beautiful up here, because you can take a look, but it's basically the sun beating down at all, for hours on this thing, and that's what happens with plumber's tape. It gets disintegrated, I guess. Like right now, this is how looks like. Looks like there's rust. All of this, right? So you need to kind of do basic maintenance on this to keep it working. Looks like it belongs to the Prestige Group, so I would hope that they would do the maintenance. This is a recent repair that we coordinated and paid for. The tape is green, but you can see here there's other stuff that's just getting beaten down and eaten up by the sun, and it needs to be watched. So again, there's rust down here, all of that. So I want it to be super clear, um, the condition of this. This right here, that's eaten away by the sun. It needs to be replaced.